So the stop loss on the AUD USD pair was hit according to the plan that I had on the trade that I took on yesterday for AUD USD. So I am out of this particular trade. But as we mentioned before earlier, the reason why we were biased is one of the reasons is that it has the head and shoulders here on the higher time frame. And it was taking a leg down with some volume, consolidating, took another leg down, broke the previous support levels here, which I will mark up as well for you. And when it broke those levels of support, it continued down. And this is on the daily time frame. So another thing that I want to mention to you is that these critical areas to where it's respecting support or resistance, or support turned into resistance or vice versa. You want to pay strong attention to these areas, even if it is on the higher time frame for the daily, because these are some areas that potentially the market could react at. It is respecting on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, we had a trend line that I drew up earlier on this time frame. But being that the market broke above that zone, which I'll color it a different color so it can stand out. Okay, the trend line here. So what it was doing is it still had this area of support that was drawn up. It still broke below that. And you see how it took a leg down. So we don't know if there was some liquidity that was grabbing or if it's going to continue down. Right now, I'm still biased on sells, but I'm paying close attention to the actual break here. It's still trending below the 200 EMA. So anything trending below that, I still have my bias as a downtrend until it breaks this area of resistance here or just rockets above these solid areas at this level. So I still have a sell bias, but I am looking at these critical areas to see if it breaks those areas. If it breaks those areas, I'll get in for buys. Just have to be really particular about how you take the trade and how the market's moving at the time that you take the trade. So those of you that were able to catch this and minimize any loss, or if you didn't get in and you were just watching for an opportunity, there's still opportunity here. I just wanted to come back and update you all. I hope that y'all have a wonderful weekend this weekend, and I'll see y'all next week.